Hello students, today I am here with third part of biotechnology and its application of 12th standard. In this session, we will discuss about transgenic animals, benefits of transgenic animals, ethical issues, GEAC, that is Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, and its aims and objectives, and biopiracy. Let us start the session with transgenic animals. Animals that have had their DNA manipulated to possess and express an extra or foreign gene are known as transgenic animals. Transgenic animals produce highly valuable materials. Transgenic rats, rabbits, pigs, sheep, cow, fish, etc. are the various transgenic animals. But 95% of all existing transgenic animals are mice. Transgenic sheep produce clotting factor for hemophiliasis, and transgenic goat produce a protein which can dissolve blood clots. Transgenic sheep produce more wool, whereas transgenic cattle, sheep, and fish produce more meat. Here, these are the pictures of some transgenic animals: transgenic mice, transgenic cow, transgenic sheep, and transgenic goat. Now, let us see about the benefits of transgenic animals. First is normal physiology and development. Transgenic animals can be uh, specifically designed to allow the study of how genes are regulated and how they affect the normal function of the body and its development. For example, study of complex factor involves in the growth such as insulin like growth factor. Another benefit is study of disease. Transgenic animals are designed to increase our understanding of how genes contribute to the development of diseases. For example, for cancer, cystic fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and Alzheimer's. Transgenic animals can produce useful biological products. For example, alpha 1 antitrypsin, a human protein that is used to treat emphysema. The first transgenic cow Rosie produced the human protein enriched milk, which contain human alpha lactalbumin 2 to 4 gram per liter. It is more nutritionally balanced product for human infants or human baby. Next benefit of transgenic animal is vaccine safety. Transgenic mice are being used to test the safety of polio vaccine, as vaccines are first tested on animals like mice before they are used to humans. So they are developed to test the several vaccines. Another benefit is chemical safety testing. Transgenic animals are developed to test the toxicity of drugs that gives result in less time. Now, let us study what is the ethical issues. Genetically modified organisms may have unpredictable results when they are introduced into the ecosystem or environment. Therefore, Indian government has set up an organization such as Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, that is GEAC. This committee will make decision regarding the validity of GM research and safety of introducing genetically modified organism for public services. Now it is about Genetic Engineering Approval Committee and its aims and objectives. That is Genetic Engineering Approval Committee was set up by the Ministry of Environment and Forest to regulate research, testing and commercialization of GM crops, that is release of GM crops, foods and various organisms. There are several aims and objectives of GEAC. First is it helps to permit the use of GM organism and their products for commercial application. Another objective of this committee is to adopt procedures for restriction, production, scale, import, export and application of GM organism. It also helps in approving conduct of large scale field trials and release of transgenic crops in the environment. Another aims and objective of GEAC are to authorize agencies or persons to have large scale production and release of GM organism into the environment. Last topic of this session is biopiracy. Biopiracy is the theft, robbery of biological and genetic resources indigenous to a country. The biological resources have many uses in agricultural, healthcare, and chemical industry. Therefore, the businessmen are after them. So, it is the term used to refer to the use of bioresource by multinational companies and other organizations without proper authorization from the countries and people concerned without compensatory payment. So, to prevent this, some laws like Indian patent bills are made. So, children, this is all about today's session. Thank you. For any kind of doubts, please write your question in comment section.